Morning, Orange Pod. Today we finished finding factors and greatest common factors. Yes, no? Yes. All right, here we go. Factors. A factor is a number that goes nicely into another number. So if I gave you like the number 6, what goes it nicely into 6? 2 and 3, right? What's 2 times 3? 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. You also could say 1 and 6 go nicely into 6, right? Yeah. So factors are numbers that go nicely into another number. Factor pairs then would just be 2 numbers, so like 2 and 3, right? Yeah. That work together. And then greatest common factor. Greatest means biggest. Common means the same. And factor would be numbers that go nicely into another number, right? So it's the biggest factor that goes into another number nicely. Yes? Yes. Okay. All right, smiley face method. So we just learned about the smiley face method. It helps us find factors. So if I ask you to find all the factors of 12 using the smiley face method, the first thing you do would be to create a t-chart. And then you would call the t-chart 12 because we're finding the factors of 12, right? What number always goes into every whole number? 1. So you're always going to write 1, and what's its buddy? 12. So 1 and 12 are buddies or factor pairs, right? Yeah. After you try 1, what's the next number you would try? 2. Does 2 go into 12? Yeah. Why? Because it's an even number. What's an even number? 12. What's its buddy? 6. So 2 and 6 are factor pairs. What's the next number you would try after 2? 3. So does 3 go into 12? Yes. How many times? 4 times. What's the next number you would try? 4. Does 4 already exist? Yes. So what we're going to do then is put a dimple at the lowest number and a dimple at the highest number, right? And then we're going to make this t-chart smile. And as we watch it smile, we know that 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, and 12 is a factor as we watch that smile go from dimple to dimple, right? If we need to find the greatest common factor, then we actually need to make how many t-charts? 2, because in order to find the greatest common factor, we got to compare 2 different numbers, right? So we made a t-chart for 12. We made a t-chart for 28. We found all the factors for 12, and we found all the factors for 28, right? We done? No. We are going to then do slashes and circles. That's really ugly writing, slashes and circles. So we're going to circle our common factors. Is 1 a common factor for 12 and 28? Yes. Is 2 a common factor? Yes. Is 3? No, do you see a 3 over here anywhere? No. So we're going to cross the 3 off, right? Is 4 a common factor? Yes. Is 6? No. Cross it off. Is 12? No. Okay, so then we still have these 3 numbers to check out. We know 7 doesn't exist over here. 14 does not exist over here. And 28 doesn't exist over here. So what is the biggest number I circled in both those t-charts? 4. So therefore, the greatest common factor of 12 and 28 is... We good?